morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Bike MS Weekend. So, the virtual kickoff happened. We had a rollout. Already been by rest stop 1. So right now, mixing it up a little bit. Back roads of New Hampshire and Maine. Not the same roads we would ride if we were doing a ride in Maine. Why? Some Maine? Well, we've got a pretty good route planned in. It'll be really pretty. We'll also throw in some hills. Everybody thinks Rhode Island's flat. It's not. You hit that northwest corner, Lincoln, Cumberland, areas like that. So I figured let's throw in some hills. Destination point is a place called Mount Agamenticus. We'll see if these roads get there. There's no street signs. They don't believe in street signs out here. But it is beautiful. So I'm doing a ride. Hopefully get to the top of Mount Aggie. Video there, video at Nubble. And on the way back, I've got some great back roads here. Team Bear got to effect. Day 1, virtual Bike MS, Ride the Road, Northern New England edition. All right, cheers.